Audio Jungle.
Have you heard about XTreamFX Global Academy? Did you know that they were debt-free and they were founded less than a year ago? Did you know that they teach online trading for beginners, intermediate, and advanced students? Did you know that they have online classes that does not require you to go in person? Did you know that XTreamFX Global Academy is way cheaper than going to Harvard and paying $72,000 to learn a skill set that can set your life free? Did you know and understand that our co-founders have founded something that is based on the common unity to help all people from all around the world? Did you know that XtremeFX is global? Did you know that we're the first decentralized Forex Academy? Did you know that XtremeFX has 6- and 7-figure traders, and that's all they do? Did you know that we have an 8-day boot camp that has no limit on ages? Did you know that XtremeFX have an 11-year-old that's actually showing that the system works and she's making over $500 a month trading? Did you know that we have the best compensation plan as our referral program that you can be a part of? Did you know that XtremeFX even existed? Well, if you want to hear more about XtremeFX, please contact me. My contact number is going to be 202-869-4225. You can also reach me at mvm.mindset@gmail.com. Again, I am JB Spencer. I am out of the Maryland area, and I am a wonderful and amazing student and trader with XtremeFX Global Academy. I look forward to connecting with you guys, because did you know that XtremeFX can help you create financial freedom? I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great, amazing rest of your evening.